Chetna NGO organized a 2-day team training program on the 22nd and 23rd of September at the ISI campus in Delhi. A total of 18 team members from Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow, and Noida took part in this important workshop. The purpose of this training was to strengthen the capacity of the team and help them learn new skills that can make their work even more impactful. The workshop began with a warm welcome by Mr. Sanjay Gupta. In his address, he highlighted the importance of continuous learning and encouraged every team member to make the most of this opportunity. His words set a positive tone and motivated the team to engage wholeheartedly in the sessions ahead. The first set of sessions was led by facilitator Ms. Pooja Singh. She guided the participants on using digital tools like Canva for graphic design, advanced features of Microsoft Excel, and the growing role of artificial intelligence in our work. Through interactive presentations and practical exercises on laptops, the team explored how these tools can simplify tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall quality of their projects. The discussions also opened up new ways of thinking about how technology can support our daily responsibilities. Adding more energy to the training, facilitator Mr. Deepesh conducted a dynamic session on work planning and stakeholder engagement. He explained how building stronger coordination with stakeholders can improve project outcomes. Fun and interactive group activities were included, which not only kept the energy high but also gave the team a chance to practice collaboration in real time. Feedback sessions were also organized throughout the 2 days. Each participant received constructive inputs from their peers and trainers, helping them reflect on their strengths and identify areas for growth. This exchange of feedback created a supportive environment where everyone could learn from one another. Towards the conclusion, Accounts Head Mr. Chun Chun conducted a focused session on financial management. He carefully explained essential accounting practices and shared feedback with the team to ensure that common mistakes are avoided in the future. At the closing ceremony, Director Mr. Sanjay Gupta and HR Head Ms. Usha Justa expressed appreciation for the team's dedication. They encouraged everyone to keep enhancing their skills and stay committed to CHETNAS mission. The atmosphere was further uplifted by a motivational song presented by the Street to Strength team, filling the room with positivity and enthusiasm. Finally, a few members were honored for their outstanding work, making the closing moments even more special. This 2-day training was not just about learning new tools and techniques. It reflected CHETNAS' deep belief that while the organization works tirelessly for the brighter future of children, it also invests in building the capacity of its own team. With a stronger and more skilled team, Chetna continues to create a greater impact in the community.